Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to do mutton dalca, which is requested by my good friend Sophia. I'm going to show you how to do it. First I'm going to add in oil and followed by ghee. I noticed that oil I put in was not enough, so I'm adding it more. Now I'm adding in all these spices: bay leaf, clove, cardamom, anise and cinnamon, and saute them for a while. Let them sprinkle into oil so it will give good aroma to the dalca later on. Now I'm adding in curry leaves, chopped onions, saute them. I like to add salt now because the onion will come out in good brown color and it releases a good aroma to the curry. Wait for a while, let the onion get browner. Now it's time to add tomato and stir them and wait for a while the tomato to bake a bit. Now I'm adding in grinded shallots. Adding in ginger garlic. I'm adding in some green chili. Now I'm adding in a potato, carrot, radish, banana, Murungai. Mix them well. Actually I pre-cooked the mutton earlier and now I'm adding in the stock here for the vegetable to cook. This mutton actually I just pressure cooked for 3 whistles with little salt. I'm checking now whether the potato already cooked, and now it's ready to add in the eggplant. I'm now adding in turmeric, coriander, garam masala, black pepper and cinnamon. I'm going to add in Chana dal and Urad dal, and I'm going to add some hot water. This Chana dal and Urad dal I mixed together and pre-cooked earlier. I feel I need to add more salt, so I'm adding in more of the stock for the vegetable and the spices to cook well together. Now the vegetables and the spices are cooked well. Now I'm adding in well-boiled mutton. Together I'm adding in some turmeric. I just leave this vegetable and mutton to cook for 5 to 7 minutes for them to mix well. Now we come to the last stage of adding in coriander, green chili, coconut. And wait for 2 seconds for little boil and off the stove. Then ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.